Hey, it's Nay, and today we're doing some hair. So today we're going to be installing this one pack enough rod set. It's basically one of those packs that you get from the beauty supply store where it's got 8-inch, 9-inch, and 10-inch hair. But before we install a new pack of hair, we have to take this hair out. So the hair I'm taking out right now is the Free Tress Joyful Curl. And I want to say this is 18-inch. I had it in for about 2 weeks, and most of the time when you do crochet installs, you can have the hair in for, a lot of people say up to 4 weeks. But for me, because I go to the gym often, I just don't feel right keeping hair in for 4 weeks without being able to properly wash my scalp. I'm kind of sad to be taking this out because when I went to the mall the other day, there were so many people who were like, oh, your hair looks so good, your hair is beautiful. And in the back of my mind, I was kind of sad because I knew I was taking this out today, but they were making me have second thoughts. The good thing is I still have packs of this hair in the closet that I can use, so I can always install this later. So even though I really like this hair and got a lot of compliments about it, I'm excited for this install today because when I did it before, I was really happy with it. And if I'm not mistaken, I liked it so much that I actually pushed myself to keep it in for 3 weeks instead of my normal 2 weeks. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this pack of hair costs $20 at my beauty supply store. And I ended up picking up 2 packs because somehow the last time when I installed it, 1 pack was not enough for my head. So believe it or not, these braids have only been in for 2 weeks. So what I'm gonna do is just wash my scalp today. I'm gonna wet my hair. I'm gonna soap up my hands with the shampoo, and then I'm just gonna wash in between the parts. And then gently, I'm going to rub up underneath the braids and make sure the soap gets up underneath there. The key to this is being gentle because just because your hair is in braids, you have to be careful because if you're too rough when you wash your hair while it's in braids, you can end up breaking off your hair without even combing it or it being loose. And this has pretty much been my maintenance routine for this entire year. I'll wash my hair completely, do an install that lasts for about 2 to 3 weeks, take out the install, gently wash my scalp while it's still in the braids, and then I dry it, moisturize it, and then put in a new pack of hair. Usually, unless there's some kind of time constraint, I only wash my hair in the braids once. So because the new year is coming up, the next time I do my hair, I'm going to completely take it out because I feel like a fresh scalp for the new year means fresh beginnings. It got hot in here for some reason. All right, so the old hair is completely out and now it is time to wash my scalp. I'm gonna be using this EIEIO detox shampoo first to get all the buildup and old stuff out of my scalp. Then I'm gonna follow up with this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Superior Growth Shampoo. So before I sit up underneath my hooded dryer to completely dry my hair, I moisturize my scalp with the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Strength Serum. And then I bring my part back to life. So first I take the Camille Rose oil and I apply a generous amount to my fingers, rub my hands together, and then I just rub the oil through my scalp. The first time I put this oil in is before I dry my hair, and then I put it in again after I dry my hair to make sure that my scalp is nice and moisturized before I install the new hair. The last thing I do before I sit up underneath the dryer is I take the Design Essentials Sleek Edge Control and I lay it on the hair around the area where my part's gonna be. So the trick with this is you're only gonna be applying it to the hair and not actually to your scalp. We just wanna lay the hair down so that when we go out into the world, it looks like we got a fresh new hairdo. See, everybody doesn't need to know about how the rest of your hair looks because that's gonna be covered up. We're just worried about the part. So now that I'm done with those two things, it's time to sit up underneath the dryer. So like I said earlier, this hair has 8, 9, and 10-inch pieces. So the first thing you want to do when you open up your pack is figure out which pieces are which so you can go ahead and put those in order. Because what we're going to do is we're going to put the 8-inch in the back, then the 9-inch will be in the middle, and then the 10-inch will be at the very top. So this is our 8, this is our 9, this is our 10. Now it's time to install. When I'm doing installs, my favorite thing to do to help the time pass by is binge watch a good show. So now I'm going to take this opportunity to catch up on Abbott Elementary. Now it's time to shape this up a little bit, lay down my edges, and get rid of this frizz. definitely don't think one pack is enough if you have a larger head or if you have more braids. Because I had to pull some of the 10-inch pieces from a box that I used during my last install to fill in the rest of the spaces once I got up to the top. Just keep that in mind. If you do plan on doing this style, you may want to buy 2 boxes, and you can grab a few pieces if you come out a little short with your first box. All right, y'all, this is the hair that I'll be rocking for the next 2 weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas. See you next time.